Good morning, class. I am teacher Traja. But before that, our objectives for today's morning. At the end of this lesson, student will be able to distinguish the differences between angle of elevation and depression. Number 2, solve problems involving angles of elevation and depression. Number 3, value the importance of angles of elevation and depression in solving problems in real-life situation. Okay, let's begin. So what is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation, it is the angle formed by horizontal line in the line of the side up to an object when the image of an object is located above the horizontal line. Okay, just imagine letter A is the eyesight, wherein it is the observer, and letter C, it is the object above, and the theta would be symbolize the angle of elevation, and A to B would be the horizontal line. Okay, for example, a man looking at the top of the building making an angle of elevation between the horizontal line and the building. So our given will be adjacent is equals to 3 meters and our opposite 5.2 meter. So we will be using tangent. So our formula would be tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So tangent theta is equals to 5.2 meters divided by 3 meters. Okay, you just substitute the given adjacent and opposite side. So we have tangent is equals to 1.7333, and then find the theta. You just reverse and multiply it by 1.7333. Okay, the angle of elevation would be 60 degrees when our adjacent is 3 meters and our opposite side would be 5.2 meters. Okay, let's proceed to angle of depression. So, what do you mean by angle of depression? The angle of depression is an angle formed between the horizontal line and the line of sight when an observer looks downwards at an object is known as an angle of depression. So, our observer will be on the top and the object would be in the bottom, and the horizontal line shows it is an angle of depression. So for example, if a person standing at the top of the building of a height 50 feet is looking at her daughter standing at a distance of 30 feet away from the building, so what will be the angle of depression formed? So our formula will be used is tangent x is equals to the opposite side over the adjacent. So what will be our opposite will be the 50 feet and our adjacent will be 30 feet. So therefore, the angle of depression is 59